So far is one of the leading brands in the world. They're top five in Europe, and they're growing at a rapid speed in Australia as well.
Excellent.
So with SoFar, they have everything in the pipeline. Well, in the portfolio, I'd say, from EV chargers to residential batteries, CNI product to utility scale, right? But in Australia right now, we are only focused on residential batteries at the moment. We will be bringing other products into Australian market, but at the later stage. Yeah, so recently we did the partnership with SunSaver, and so far we had the Smart Energy Council CEO John Grimes was our chief guest to do the opening ceremony, which was a great milestone for us to have that strategic partnership for future growth. Now we're operating in all 5 states and plenty in stock.
Excellent.
So at the road show, we've been only been discussing about all-in-one smart energy storage, so for batteries. Sure. So with the all-in-one, it's a all-in-one stackable batteries, 5 kilowatt module, and it comes with 5 layers of safety in the battery because we know for the Australian end users, safety is number one priority. Um, it's a high voltage parallel connection optimizers. So there's only few batteries in the world that provide this sort of solution, and SoFar is one of them. So if we count, there's only 5 batteries in Australia that has that high voltage optimizers in the battery, and we are top five in that space. Experience with the Smart Energy Installer Roadshow has been amazing, I have to say, starting from Adelaide to Melbourne, now in Sydney. Different crowd, different network, different feedback we get as a product provider. We get a different feedback. And then there's also these people that really don't know the brand or have limited knowledge about the brand. And all of a sudden they realize, oh, wow, your product is also high voltage. Oh, wow, you guys do provide 5 layers of safety. We didn't know that. So it's eye opener to a lot of people, but also good for us that we get to network with a lot of new, installers or new retailers that creates more interest for us.
Excellent. So what?
Yeah, look, I think anyone that's in the game of solar and battery should have some sort of affiliation with Smart Energy Council. You guys are quite an important body of this whole chain, of this renewable energy chain, I would say. And being part of that, being updated about what's happening in the market, what's about, or in general idea, it's quite informative to be involved. And I do encourage everyone to join Smart Energy Council and become a member. As a member, I can say strongly that we've been supported quite well. We've had multiple meetings from Smart Energy Council to understand what we want to achieve in Australia, and it's been great, and just the beginning for us. And we look forward to this collaboration for many years to come.